Right. Meanwhile, remember, it's not just about Gautam Adani, India, US. It's also about some other state chief ministers and former chief ministers. And therefore now, when the Telugu Desam party was asked about the allegations of bribes to Andhra Pradesh officials for power project purchase, the TDP for now has simply said no comments. And then a further more elaborate statement that's coming to say, we need to study the report before coming to the conclusion. It would take 2 to 3 days. And this is when a news agency asked the TDP on this. But meanwhile, YSRCP, previously as well, remember, in the government in power during the alleged bribe case, basically, have now said there have been no direct deals with the Adani Group. The solar deal was signed with a government body. Incorrect allegations against Jagan Mohan Reddy's government. So that's how it's become. This is how the BJP is charging at the opposition, saying these are opposition ruled states, not BJP ruled states where the big allegations have come in. So I want to bring in Apurva Jayachandran for the latest on that. Apurva, good morning. So it's now knocking at the doors of Andhra Pradesh, but interestingly between TDP and YSRCP, what are they saying? Tell us more.
Well, Pooja, what we are getting to learn is that the YSRCP has now issued a statement late last night wherein they have said that all of these allegations on the YSRCP is completely false and that they have whatever agreement that they had made with respect to the solar power solar energy that they had made, which has been mentioned in the indictment document. What the YSRCP is saying is that it has nothing to do with any third party like the Adani or any other company, but that the YSRCP has made a clean and fair agreement is what the YSRCP is saying. In fact, they're denying all charges of allegation and they are going ahead and saying that there hasn't been any kind of misdoing or wrongdoing on their part. Meanwhile, the TDP is yet to comment on this since the news has broken out. The party is yet to take a stand on what is going to be their stand. But between the YSRCP, the TDP, there's also the Congress there who has been strongly commenting on this, wherein they are demanding for answers out there, asking why there hasn't been any action taken on the YSRCP-led YSRCP leaders, including Jagan Mohan Reddy as well. Incidentally, we're also seeing that the CPI here in Andhra Pradesh, they have also issued a statement yesterday wherein they are demanding that the TDP-led NDA government here in Andhra Pradesh take action on the YSRCP leaders who had flouted the rules, who had caused this kind of crime here in Andhra Pradesh, and they're also going on demanding that there be arrests made by the TDP-led government as soon as possible.
This is very interesting because remember, while this is between BJP and the Congress, centre and opposition, but it appears that there's one state, specifically Andhra Pradesh, where YSRCP government and the incumbent government as well of the TDP have a lot to say and defend.